Ino ni Ndumiriri irarutirwo ni mwandiki mukaru wa utamburukia wa mahinya Charles Nkuli akiuga ati riera ria kaunti ino ya Narok nirimetikiritie gukorwo makirima irio uria kwagiriire.
This region, particularly Narok, is one of the largest wheat producing area. So in terms of the availability of land and the right climate for food production, this county is rated one of the largest in this country. And the role of this conference is to see how we can unlock the potential of food security in Narok County.
Ihinda-ini riu commissioner wa kaunti ino Samuel Kimiti araugire ati gukoretwo na cira wa migunda guku kuona muthenya ndagaga macira wa ofisini yake undu uria uhinyagiriria urimi mwena uyu.
Jambo moja ambayo inaweza kuwa ni changamoto hasa kwa food security ni hii cases tunakuwa nazo mingi za mashamba. Kama administration tutajaribu kuhakikisha ya kwamba kunapotokea kesi yoyote ambayo ni ya shamba itashughulikiwa kwa haraka ili isitatise maendeleo ya Big Four.
No ona kuriora uguo murugamiriri munene wa migunda na manyumba thiini wa kaunti no Vivian Seriti ni oritie anyiti itemi othe manyitanire nigwo gutigirira ituge inya cia mutongoria wa bururi ni cia kinyanira.
We shall provide the enabling environment because for the Big Four agenda to be successful, this is where the rubber meets the road, and the implementation and achievement of the Big Four agenda can only be successful through partnership with counties. Mararagia mucemanio-ini wa hamwe uria uratabanitio ni andu ngurani mukawa-ini wa Keekorok mwena wa Narok ya ithuiro. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.